What, Mama?
I don't feel awake. I feel tired.
Oh, well, why don't you go to bed earlier?
Because you don't go to bed earlier and it frustrates me.
So if somebody jumps off the mountain, are you gonna jump off the
No, that's a
mountain?
very dumb analogy.
Oh,
I'm tired.
I'm awake because I'm letting the sun in my eyes. Thank you, Andrew Huberman.
Does crap all. Does nothing.
It's backed by science. It's a crazy storm and I got my baby.
Mama, tornado's coming.
Ah. Woo. We gotta go to work for another one customer. So what should they do if they live in Toronto?
Subscribe.
No, they should come to me for a haircut. Come on.
Hey guys, we need to come together for a haircut so we can pay our rent. No!
Yeah, we made it. Is it cold? A little chilly?
Yeah.
Careful.
Boss, come to us!
So where am I taking you out for dinner? I can't hear you.
Ramen!
Ramen? Here you go, princess.
Ramen!
Oh my god. Okay, very good. That's how we talk. Little home sweet home.
So I have to count to 60 again for 3 times.
You made it onto the daily vlog once again. Yay.
Nice. Gotta get those befores, eh?
I just did my favorite customer. Little trim. Feeling fresh? Love ya. Let's go. It's a bloody crazy storm of the year probably. Okay, let's go.
That's why juicy dumpling. Baby,
I know. Avery's excited. Come on. Oh my god. Into the unknown. Oh, it's already, we gotta go eat and get out before we get stuck in the blizzard.
Wait, that one's having slush.
Come on, hurry up. We have 30 minutes to eat and get on the TTC. We're taking a shortcut. So this is base camp. That's where you can go climb walls.
Oh, I want to go there.
You want to climb walls with me sometime?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Please.
Right now, we are broke. All we get to enjoy is a simple ramen. We got.
I can't wait to climb more.
Oh, we'll go sometime. That's our food. We got Kintin ramen, and we got soak just going down the street. It's our first time here. Okay, we did it. Oh, hurry up. Oh my goodness, look at the mess. We have 10 minutes. 10 minutes to get on the bus.
Because the bus comes in 10 minutes.
10 minutes to get on the bus. 10 minutes for a free round trip.
Which bus?
Hopefully it's gonna come right there.
I hope so.
It's the run.
spent the weekend at her house.
We made it, so.
So I told him, can you come pick me up and take me home? But don't touch it.
Let's try again.
Yeah.
We made it just in time, and our ride was.
Free.
It's so crazy. So packed. Always.
I guess I'll leave you.
Okay, see ya.
Come on. Me.
Into the unknown.
Time to eat some snow.
No, it's gross. Look at it, it's crazy. You like this weather?
I get to play with snow. I want to play with snow.
Okay, let's go.